Hi, this is the video demo for Flora AI, a Gen AI application that we have built for the Databricks hackathon, and we will be demonstrating how it works in this video.
So Flora is your AI financial analyst. Flora can help you analyze financial documents such as SEC filings, as well as summarize news reports for any stocks that you're interested in investing in. So let's dive right in. This is a search bar. Over here, we can search for any publicly traded US stock. So here, let's choose Apple, and we can straight away start chatting. So we can ask a question like, according to Apple's latest quarterly report, what were the sales of iPhones like? So once we ask a question, Flora will search through our vector database, which consists of financial documents such as SEC filings for Apple in particular, and answer a question. So according to Apple's latest quarterly report, the iPhone sales climbed 3%. This is a sign that the company's latest models are being well received. Okay, this is good information for any investor. Once we click on sources, we can see that there are two links are provided. These are the URLs to the actual data used by the LLM to answer your question. So for example, if we click on one of the links, this takes us directly to Apple's 10Q report, which is Apple's latest quarterly report. And this one takes us
This is
to
the
Apple's
document.
10Q.
These are the documents that the LLM actually pulls the data from.
Yep.
So the source
Uh,
itself is available for you to view.
yes. And we can ask another really specific question like, according to Apple's latest quarterly report, what is the, sorry, what is the earnings per share ratio?
An important ratio to know if you're deciding if you want to invest in Apple or not.
Yep. Okay, great. So Apple's latest quarterly report shows that the company's earnings per diluted share were 1.46, which is up 13% year over year. So that's a good sign for investments, of course.
How
Now we
about we
can move
pick
on.
another stock like Netflix, for example?
Sure. Yeah, so I just go to the search bar, type in Netflix. Here we go. Select it.
And
So we can ask a
we can
more
ask it a
broader
question.
question. Yeah.
Let's try to ask a broader question. If we wanted to say summarize the latest quarterly report, so we can say, can you summarize Netflix's latest quarterly report?
And you summarize Netflix's latest quarterly report. These sort of questions usually take a little bit of longer because the 10Q report is really large and it has to pull many chunks from the vector database. But here we have a summary of the report from Q1 2024, which is the latest report. So Netflix generates a total revenue 9.4 billion, which is up from last year. It's added 13.1 million subscribers, etc. Companies reported earnings of 2.1 per share, etc. So
A
lots of
clear,
relevant information.
concise,
Yeah.
it gives us a clear and concise summary in bullet points so that it's also easy to read. The
Yes.
last last feature we can show you that we have is relating to the news articles. So we
Right.
have a real time, we query in real time the news articles related to the stocks that we've selected.
All we have to do is click this button and
It shows us about 100 articles or more that have been the latest ones that we have found over the internet. And the hyperlinks, of course, are available if you click the names, but we can also check one of the boxes if we want to summarize it.
yep, so this is the actual article from Yahoo Finance that we have queried in real time that is related to Netflix stock. So we can go back and now press check to summarize. Okay, great. So here we have a summary of the article. And yeah, that is essentially how Flora AI works. Once you're done reading it, you can uncheck and carry on scrolling, there are many more articles. And of course, for each stock we pick, there will be different news articles that are related to that particular stock. And with that, I believe we are at the end of our presentation. Thank you so much for your consideration. Goodbye.